Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here with another maths video on coordinate geometry. This is 7th lesson of class 10 maths. So I hope that you guys like my videos, and yeah, I have made this chapter easy. Only 2 topics are there to study. I hope that this video will help you. Without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So the topics we are going to cover from this chapter are the distance formula, section formula. These 2 are the main topics that you guys have to learn. And I'll give you some introduction about coordinate geometry and questions at the end. To locate the position of a point on a plane, we require a pair of coordinate axes. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called as y-coordinate or ordinate. The coordinate of a point on the x-axis are in the form x0, and if a point on y-axis is in the form 0y. Coordinate geometry has been developed in many of the algebraic tools for studying geometry of figures. It helps us to study geometry using algebra and understand what is algebra with the help of geometry. Because of this, coordinate geometry is widely applied in various fields such as physics, engineering, navigation, seismology, and art. Now let's go to the main topic, distance formula. Here I have given a question. Let's understand through that. Here we have to find its distance between 2 points, P of xy and Q of x and half. We have to draw PR and QS perpendicular to the x-axis, and from that we have to meet it at on QS at the point D. Here I have drawn the figure. So we take OR is equal to x and OS is equal to x. Then again R is equal to x and minus x, that is equal to PT. SQ will take as y. So ST is equal to PR. So you don't need to learn all the steps. Okay, the main item that you have to learn is the distance formula. This is how we derive the equation. Okay, so P of Q is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So with this equation we are going to solve the problems. Now let's go to the other topic, section formula. Here let's do a question and let's find out what is section formula. Here, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4 and minus 3 and 8 and 5 in the ratio 3:1. Okay, this is new to you. There we have already got x and y coordinates, that is x1, x2, y1, y2. So then we have to use the ratio 3:1. So we'll take that one as 3 is m1 and m2 is equal to 1. Okay, so by putting the formula we'll get 7 and 3, but you have to use this equation, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, not only for x-axis, you have to do that for y-axis. Okay, so these are some questions and these are repeated question. Okay, as an ex-student of 10th, I have overcome with these questions which I have included in the slides. They are really important and it's often asked in every exam, and in board exam you can expect it. Here we have to find a relationship between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points 7, 1 and 3, 5. Okay, so we have to take P of x is xy, that should be equidistant from point. We have to take 7, 1 as A and 3, 5 as B. So by putting AP is equal to BP, that will also be equal to AP square is equal to BP square. So x minus 7, that is the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, that say using the same formula we have to use here. We'll get the required one is x minus y is equal to 2. Here this is another important question. Find the point on y-axis which is equidistant from points a 6y and b minus 4 minus 3. Okay, so we'll take the points 0 and y. So by putting, we have to equate as same as the first question. So that is 6 minus 0 the whole raised to 2 plus 5 minus y the whole raised to 2. That is minus equal to minus 4 minus 0 the whole square plus 3 minus y the whole square. By using the same equation, you will get 4y is equal to 36. Then 4 into 9 is 36. So y is equal to 9. And I think this is the last one. This also, I have told you guys, examples are really important in class 10. They will ask from the example itself. Sometimes they can change the numbers in the question, but the pattern will be same. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection. Here trisection includes 2 and 1. So when you take x-axis, take 1 is to 2. That is for the value of m1 and m2, and for finding y take it 2 is to 1 for finding y. Okay, then here that we have did the same here. So they have given the points a and b, just substitute it as it is. So 1 into minus 7 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2, then 1 into 4 plus 2 into minus 2 by 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 and 0 we got. So in y-axis, next that we have to find 2 into minus 7 plus 1 into 2. Okay, now we have to do ulta, that is 2 plus 1. Again 2 into 4 plus 1 into minus 2, the whole divided by 2 plus 1. So that will get minus 4 and 2. So we have got the coordinates of the trisection minus 1 and 0 and minus 4 and 2. I hope that you guys understood today's video. I'll be coming back with another one.